live at the federal courthouse, where Giselle awaits his verdict. Look, here he comes now.
If you're not taking any questions at this time, you can address your questions to me. The only question you really need to be asking right now is the man guilty or innocent? And we are here to say he is beyond a reasonable doubt innocent. We will prove it and let justice do its thing. But we are convinced that we will come out victorious on the other side of this case.
Hello haters, what's poppin'? Why am I always a topic? You obsessed cause I'm poppin'? Go get a light, stop blabbing. Wai diesel din nan ya ishe mu, ba shi da kyau ma sai gemu. Say the truth, you just envying. Not my fault, I'm your girl's MCM. Akan Twitter sai surutu, su ganna a unguwa su kama gudu. Allah ya bani sai dai su mutu. Go ask your bae a Damaturu. Young, rich, self-made, and I'm good. Girls be acting up, that be the truth. Now she dey vex cause I know Maria. On the road to success, I got no dirt in my boots. Yamagana, 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 Bamagana, Yamagana, 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 Bamagana. I got a message for haters. I am the here getting paid. Hey, put some respect on my name. Hey, I turn the hate into fame. Hey, they wanna put dirt on my name. Allah raba mu da munafukai. Yan adawa suna jira, za su gaji da jira. All the hate talk on Twitter. Haba malam, why so bitter? I just fly me and Jida together, the jitter. Me and the love of my life, we forever. Taking selfies, me and my boo. Now how can Twitter and the post in the chain musu? Yamagana, 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 Bamagana, Yamagana, 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 Bamagana.